Hello everyone, welcome to Lunyal classes. Students, today we will do the MCQ of class 9 chapter 1 Geography India size and location. In this video you will find 35 MCQ questions. Each question has 4 options in which one option is correct. First I will read you the question and their options. After a few seconds I will tell you the answer. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Okay, let's start our video. Question 1. Which parallel of latitude divides India into almost 2 equal parts? Option A, Tropic of Cancer. B, Tropic of Capricorn. C, Equator. D, none of these. Correct option is A, Tropic of Cancer. Question 2. The Tropic of Cancer does not pass through. Option A, Rajasthan. B, Chhattisgarh. C, Odisha. D, Tripura. Correct option is C, Odisha. Question 3. Where is Indira Point located? Option A, in Lakshadweep Island. B, in Andaman Island. C, in Nicobar Island. D, in Maldives. Correct option is B, in Andaman Island. Question 4. What is the total geographical area of the Indian landmass? Option A, 3.28 million square kilometer. B, 3.38 million square kilometer. C, 3.58 million square kilometer. D, 4.08 million square kilometer. Correct option is A, 3.28 million square kilometer. Question 5. What is the percentage of India's total area in relation to the total geographical area of the world? Option A, 2.4. B, 2.6. C, 3.4. D, 3.9. Correct option is A, 2.4. Question 6. From which place in Uttar Pradesh does the standard meridian of India pass? Option A, Kanpur. B, Mirzapur. C, Allahabad. D, Lucknow. Correct option is B, Mirzapur. Question 7. What influences the duration of the day and night as one moves from south to north? Option A, longitudinal extent. B, latitudinal extent. C, Tropic of Cancer. D, Tropic of Capricorn. Correct option is B, latitudinal extent. Question 8. In which year the Suez Canal opened? Option A, 1769. B, 1801. C, 1850. D, 1869. Correct option is D, 1869. Question 9. How many states are there in India 2020? Option A, 27. B, 28. C, 29. D, 30. Correct option is B, 28. Question 10. What is the number of union territories of India? Option A, 7. B, 8. C, 9. D, 10. Correct option is B, 8. Question 11. With which country does India share its land boundaries in the northwest? Option A, Pakistan and Tajikistan. B, Afghanistan. C, Afghanistan and China. D, Pakistan and Afghanistan. Correct option is D, Pakistan and Afghanistan. Question 12. With which country does the India share its land boundary in the east? Option A, Nepal and Bhutan. B, Nepal and China. C, Pakistan. D, Myanmar and Bangladesh. Correct option is D. Myanmar and Bangladesh. Question 21. Which line of latitude divides India into two equal parts? Option A 32.30 degree north, B 50.25 degree north, C 12.30 degree north, D 82.30 degree north. Correct option is A 23.30 degree north. Question 22. India has a land boundary of about. Option A 15,860 km, B 15,250 km, C 15,680 km, D 15,200 km. Correct option is D 15,200 km. Question 23. How much time is India bigger than France? Option A 6 times, B 16 times, C 8 times, D 9 times. Correct option is A 6 times. Question 24. Dash ocean will have to be crossed by a ship going from Singapore, Mogadishu. Option A Indian Ocean, B Pacific Ocean, C Arctic Ocean, D Antarctic Ocean. Correct option is A Indian Ocean. Question 25. Which of these got submerged in the sea water in 2004? Option A Kanyakumari, B Bhuj, C Indira Point, D Bhavnagar. Correct option is C Indira Point. Question 26. Which meridian is fixed as a standard meridian of India? Option A 82.30 degree east, B 84.30 degree east, C 86 degree east, D 81 degree east. Correct option is A 82.30 degree east. Question 27. The latitudinal extent of India lies between. Option A 7 degree 5 north and 26 degree 5 north, B 8 degree 4 north and 37 degree 6 north, C 12 degree 5 north and 27 degree 5 north, D 12 degree 5 north and 37 degree 6 north. Correct option is B 8 degree 4 north and 37 degree 6 north. Question 28. Which of the following is the oldest route of connect between India and other countries of the world? Option A ocean routes, B maritime contact, C land route, D air route. Correct option is C land route. Question 29. India achieved multifaceted socio-economic progress during which of the following period? Option A since ancient time, B during medieval period, C in the 21st century, D during the last 5 decades. Correct option is D during the last 5 decades. Question 30. Which of the following group of islands belonging to the Indian territory lies in the Arabian Sea? Option A Andaman and Nicobar Island, B Sri Lanka, C Lakshadweep, D Maldives. Correct option is C Lakshadweep. Question 31. Due to which of the following reason is the Indian Ocean named after India? Option A India has a strategic location along the Trans-Indian Ocean routes. B no other country has a long coastal line on the Indian Ocean as India. C India is centrally located at the head of the Indian Ocean. D all of the above. Correct option is D all of the above. Question 32. If the local time at Dwarka 69°01 east in Gujarat to the west of India is 6 am, what will be the local time of Dibrugarh 94°58 east in Assam is in the east? Option A 4.16 am, B. 6 a.m. C. 7:44 a.m. D. 7:44 p.m. Correct option is C. 7:44 a.m. Question 33. Indian Standard Time or IST is how many hours ahead or behind of GMT या Universal Time? Option A. 5 hours 30 minutes behind GMT. B. 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT. C. 5 hours ahead of GMT. D. None of the above. Correct option is B. 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT. Question 34. In which of the following place would you find the least difference in the duration between day and night time? Option A. Kanyakumari. B. Ladakh. C. Srinagar. D. None of the above. Correct option is A. Kanyakumari. Question 35. From Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, the time lag is option A. 2 hours 30 minutes. B. 2 hours 10 minutes. C. 2 hours. D. 2 hours 15 minutes. Correct option is C. 2 hours. Thank you. Like and subscribe this video.